Good evening, friends. This is Joseph. Just wanted to come to you with another video. It's late in the evening here on the Eastern Time, 20 to 11, here in the mountains, Appalachians. As you can see, it's a pitch black, dark night out. All you hear is the crickets, frogs chirping away. But I promised I'd make you another video, so I wanted to come through on that about, what do we do when we feel like we're lost internally, and how do we use our internal compass, through feeling lost. And what I mean by feeling lost is that internal direction that we feel just all over the place. And I learned something in life, that sometimes when you feel lost, that's the best time to seek a new direction or a new route in order for you to get where you need to go, or where you're purposed to go. And, there's times where I remember driving on 95, and you listen to the GPS, but sometimes even the GPS doesn't know where it's going. Why? Because sometimes if it's not, the firmware is not updated, it'll take you the long route or the scenic route. Well, I remember one time it wanted to take me almost 4 or 5 hours out of the way, heading down to Florida one time. And you know what? I just said, you got to stay on the straight path and stay the course, and don't get sidetracked, and just follow the signs. Sometimes we got to follow the internal compass, which is a spirit guide internally, so that we can find that destination or purpose that we know or feel that we're supposed to go in the direction thereof. So, with that being said, you can take that direction, which is your thoughts. Your thoughts is what guides you and directs you from the decisions we make. The information that we're given in life is one of the most valuable commodity items in existence, because without information, good information that is, how are we able to make good decisions, right? So when you make bad decisions, it's because of maybe we received bad information. Or it could be the opposite, receive good information, made a bad decision. But either way, getting lost is the best opportunity to seek a new route. So you got to use your internal compass, which is really goes back to not just your spiritual influence, but your wisdom. And it's the wisdom that you get through your experiences in conjunction with knowledge. And, those are the moments where if you feel lost, don't get stressed. Don't feel anxiety. And if you do feel that coming on, all right, that's fine. You just work with it at the moment that it arrives. And you got to go with what you feel and your gut instinct. Because everybody gets lost in life. It all happens to us on more than one occasion. But what do we do when that moment arrives? You just got to sit, relax, meditate the mind, and just be calm. The art of calmness goes a long way. And that's what has helped me tremendously, quite a bit in life, is staying calm, relaxed, and just positioning my mind. Sometimes we have to reposition our thoughts in order for us to position ourselves physically. We have to reposition ourselves thoughtfully. And that's what helps me out, and what I find in times where I feel lost. Like if I were to go wander out and go into the woods and take a hike up a mountain right now without any tools or any compass, I would get lost because I don't know where I'm going. But usually our instincts guide us. Sometimes it's not just what you feel in your heart. The feeling in your heart is from all the cells in your body, all that energy put together, and it's tickling something in the mind or in the membranes thereof that allow you to feel something. And you're like, wow, maybe I should go this direction because something's telling me to go here or go there. And that's your instincts talking. So always listen to your gut instincts, because they'll never lie to you. I always say the spirit never lies. It's just the instinctiveness, your spirit, what you're feeling internally is what you feel that may either bring you to where you're going or where you're not going. So like I said, if I just took off and wandered and said, let me just go start walking in the woods, in the forest, I wouldn't know where I'm going unless I had some form of direction. And sometimes the best direction you can rely on is the direction from within, from what you've already been through. So use the experiences that you've already been through as your internal compass in conjunction with your spiritual influence, with your mental awareness, and also, naturally, how you feel physically is going to allow those two to combine or marry each other and give you that leverage or that instinctiveness, for you to be in tuned to the awareness of the environment. Pay attention to the atmosphere. Always look around you and see what's going on. Pay attention to certain signs, whether it's, maybe different animals or just the birds, or maybe it's the sky, or perhaps it's the sun or the moon. take a look at the things around you in your atmosphere and learn to appreciate them more and use that as your compass, just like the indigenous people did back in the Native Americans around. You know, they learned a lot from their ancestors or from the Egyptians. You know, there was a lot of different directions that were given at that time that they had no idea. They had to figure things out for themselves. And you know what? It's like that the same today, but just in a different era, different technology. And when we can feel that awareness within us, our internal technology, which is just sometimes you got to upgrade the firmware in the cells of your body. How do you do that? By taking care of yourself. You know, eating right, exercising, reading good positive books that give you good positive information. When you have good positive information, what happens? That allows the compass to take direction internally in order for you to attract the positive results. So always know, when you feel like you're lost in life, that's the best opportunity to seek a new direction. Just pay attention to your internal well-being. Don't get so distracted on the outskirts of things in life, because distraction can do one of two things. It can lead to destruction, or you can take distraction and create construction out of it. But that's up to you. So I hope this information, this video was helpful. Just want you to all have a blessed, wonderful night. Enjoy your evening. I'm going to go inside and relax and, I don't know, maybe have a yummy snack or something and just take it easy and read a good book before I go to bed. So, again, have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. I love you, everybody. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye, and good night.